Hi, I'm Mike. This is the Balloon Channel. Today we're going to make a pirate sword. So, to make our pirate sword, you're going to need one 260, any colour of your choice. I've chosen grey. Inflate all the way, a bit of air out, and tie off. And we're going to do a 2-finger bubble, and we're going to fold it in half, and we're just going to do a 6-finger petal and twist all together. So we end up like this. Stretch our balloon, I'm going to take this end and pass it through. And there we have our pirate sword. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment below, and click here for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more Balloon Channel content.